A tree is a tall plant with a strong woody trunk and many branches that reach for the sky. But not every tree is a fruit tree. A fruit tree is a special kind of tree that grows something delicious for us to eat. This tasty part is called a fruit. The fruit is the part of the plant that holds the seeds. Its main job in nature is to protect the seeds and help them travel to new places to grow. When an animal eats the fruit, it might carry the seeds far away, helping a new tree to sprout and grow in a different spot. This is how fruit trees spread and create new life. So, how does a fruit tree make a fruit? It all starts with a flower. In the spring, fruit trees become covered in beautiful blossoms. These flowers are not just pretty to look at, they are very important. Bees and other insects fly from flower to flower to drink a sweet liquid called nectar. As they do, they carry tiny grains of yellow dust called pollen from one flower to another. This process is called pollination. Once a flower is pollinated, it can begin the amazing process of growing a fruit. The flower petals will fall away, and a tiny fruit will start to form in its place. The little fruit grows bigger and bigger all through the warm summer months. It soaks up the sunshine and drinks water from the rain. Inside the growing fruit, seeds are developing. The fruit acts like a safe little house for these seeds, protecting them as they get ready to make new trees. The fruit also stores up sugars, which is why it becomes so sweet and tasty when it is ripe. Different fruits need different amounts of time to grow. Some are ready to eat quickly, while others take many months to become perfect for picking from the branch. Finally, when the fruit is ripe, it is ready to be eaten. We know it is ripe because its color changes, it feels soft, and it smells sweet. This is the tree's signal that the seeds inside are ready. For people, this is the best time to pick the fruit and enjoy its wonderful flavor. Not all fruit trees can grow in the same place. The world has many different climates, which means the weather is different in various parts of the globe. Because of this, fruit trees are often grouped into two big families based on the kind of weather they like. The first family is called temperate fruit trees. These trees are very strong and can live in places that have 4 distinct seasons: a warm spring, a hot summer, a cool autumn, and a cold winter. They are clever trees that know how to survive the cold. They need the cold winter weather to rest and prepare for growing again in the spring. Temperate fruit trees have a special trick for surviving the winter. In the autumn, their leaves change from green to beautiful colors like red, orange, and yellow. Then the leaves fall off the branches. This is called being deciduous. By losing their leaves, the trees save their energy and water during the cold, dry winter. They go into a deep sleep like a bear hibernating in a cave. The second big family of fruit trees is the tropical fruit trees. These trees are very different from their temperate cousins. They love warm weather all year round. They grow in places near the Earth's equator, where it is always sunny and hot, and there is no cold winter. These regions are called the tropics. Because the weather is always warm, tropical fruit trees do not need to rest for the winter. They can keep their leaves and continue to grow throughout the entire year. The apple tree is one of the most famous and beloved temperate fruit trees in the world. Apple trees grow best in places with cold winters and warm summers. They are very hardy, and can live for a very long time, sometimes over 100 years. In the spring, the apple tree is covered with beautiful pink and white flowers. These blossoms have a lovely sweet smell that attracts many bees. The bees are essential helpers because they pollinate the flowers, which is the first step in making an apple. Without the bees, there would be no apples to eat later in the year. After the flowers are pollinated, tiny green apples begin to form where the blossoms once were. All summer long, these little apples grow bigger and bigger. They soak up the warm sunlight and drink rainwater that the tree's roots pull from the ground. There are thousands of different kinds of apples, and they come in many colors, like red, green, and yellow. Some apples are very sweet and perfect for eating fresh. Others are a little bit sour or tart, which makes them great for baking into delicious pies, crisps, and applesauce. When autumn arrives, the apples are finally ripe and ready to be picked. This is a fun time of year called the apple harvest. The pear tree is a close relative of the apple tree. It is another popular temperate fruit tree that enjoys climates with 4 distinct seasons. In the springtime, the pear tree bursts into a cloud of beautiful white flowers, even before its leaves have fully grown. Once the flowers have been pollinated, tiny pears begin to grow. They start out very small and hard, and they grow slowly throughout the summer months. Pears have a unique shape, often wider at the bottom and narrower near the stem. The best way to check if a pear is ripe is to gently press the neck, which is the part of the pear near the stem. If it feels a little bit soft, the pear is ready to eat. The cherry tree is another beautiful member of the temperate fruit tree family. It's famous for two things: its stunning springtime blossoms and its delicious little fruits. There are two main kinds of cherries: sweet cherries and sour cherries. Sweet cherries are the ones we love to eat fresh, right from the tree or a bowl. Sour cherries, also called tart cherries, are usually bright red. As their name suggests, they are too sour for most people to eat raw. Instead, they're perfect for cooking and are used to make delicious cherry pies, jams, and sauces. Now let's travel to a warmer part of the world to meet the mango tree. The mango tree is a famous tropical fruit tree, often called the king of fruits. Mango trees are very large and impressive. They can grow to be very tall, and their branches spread out wide, creating a big, shady canopy. A single large tree can produce hundreds or even thousands of mangoes in one season, making it a very generous tree. Mangoes come in a wonderful variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. The color of the skin does not always tell you if the mango is ripe. A better way to check is to gently squeeze it. A ripe mango will feel slightly soft, and will have a very sweet, fruity smell near the stem. Cutting open a ripe mango reveals its bright golden orange flesh, which is incredibly sweet, juicy, and has a unique tropical flavor that many people love. People all over the world enjoy mangoes in many different ways. They eat them fresh, blend them into smoothies, make them into juice, or use them in salads, sauces, and desserts. The banana is one of the most popular fruits in the entire world, but it grows in a very interesting way. Many people call it a banana tree, but it is not actually a tree at all. It is technically a giant herbaceous flowering plant, which means it does not have a woody trunk like a real tree. What looks like a trunk is actually a pseudo-stem, which is made of many layers of large leaves tightly wrapped together. A single banana stalk can produce a large bunch of bananas, which is called a bunch or a stem. This bunch is made up of smaller groups called hands, and each individual banana is called a finger. Fruit trees give us the wonderful gift of their delicious and healthy fruits, but their generosity does not stop there. These amazing trees provide many other benefits for people, animals, and the planet. One of the most important gifts from a fruit tree is shade. On a hot, sunny day, sitting under the wide, leafy branches of a mango or apple tree is a wonderful way to cool down. Fruit trees also add great beauty to our world. In the spring, they fill our gardens and orchards with breathtaking displays of pink, white, and cream-colored flowers. And in the autumn, temperate trees like apple and cherry trees put on another show, with their leaves turning brilliant shades of red, orange, and yellow before they fall. These trees are also incredibly important for wildlife. They create a habitat, which is a home for many different kinds of animals. Birds love to build their nests among the strong, protective branches of a fruit tree. When the fruit is ripe, it provides an easy and nutritious meal for birds, squirrels, and other small animals. Even the flowers are a source of food, providing sweet nectar for bees, butterflies, and other insects. Finally, fruit trees are good for the earth. Like all trees, they help to clean the air we breathe. Their leaves take in a gas called carbon dioxide from the air and release the oxygen that we need to live. The roots of fruit trees are also very helpful. They grow deep into the ground, holding the soil in place. This helps to prevent erosion, which is when soil gets washed or blown away by rain and wind. Growing a fruit tree can be a very rewarding experience, and taking care of it is easier than you might think. Just like any living thing, a fruit tree has a few basic needs to stay healthy and produce lots of yummy fruit. The first and most important need is water. Young trees especially need to be watered regularly to help their roots grow strong and deep. Another important job is pruning. Pruning means carefully cutting off some of the tree's branches. This might seem strange, but it is very helpful for the tree. Sometimes little pests like insects or diseases can try to harm a fruit tree. It is important to keep an eye on your tree to make sure it stays healthy. Finally, fruit trees need good food to grow, just like we do. Giving your tree some food, called fertilizer or compost, can help it get all the nutrients it needs to produce beautiful leaves, flowers, and fruit. By giving your fruit tree water, a good haircut through pruning, protection from pests, and healthy food, you are helping it to thrive. In return, your tree will reward you for many years with its shade, its beauty, and of course, its delicious homegrown fruit that you can share with your family and friends.